Hi there and welcome to Tekne Fitness Ibiza. My name is Desmond Aspel and I've been teaching gymnastics for 20 years, and for the past few years I've been putting together a special team here in Ibiza to provide wonderful residential fitness retreats. Discover the other side of Ibiza. Peace, quiet, tranquility and beauty. Beautiful beaches, brilliant activities and places you'll just love. Fresh organic food prepared every day by your personal chef. See where your food comes from and get a real taste of country living. Our specialist training is simply awesome. You'll finish your holiday feeling refreshed and inspired. Thanks for checking us out here at Tekne Fitness, and we look forward to seeing you soon.